Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages at the top and enter system languages. And here we've got the list of preferred languages which we are usually using. We've got only English, so let's add a new one. Let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it, for example this one, tap on the region, and you can see that the new language has been immediately applied to the list. However, the English in my case is still a main one. So all you have to do right now is to reorder the languages. Just tap on the language you'd like to use, tap on it and hold it, and now drag it to the first position. Your device will ask you whether you want to change the language, so simply tap on change to confirm. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let's do it again, tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. Change it. And we've got English applied. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language, and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And we've got only English or any other language left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.